This is with Sabudana Tapioca pearls, a very simple and easy recipe. Let's begin with. I'm going to dry roast the Sabudana. I want this to puff well. Now you can see them like pearls. I'll transfer this to the bowl. 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to add in the mustard seeds. When this crackles, I'm going to add in Urad Dal and Channa Dal. Now this is golden in color. I'm going to add in chopped the green chillies and the curry leaves. Time to add turmeric. Then add salt and citric acid. I want the seasoning to be completely cool to mix it with the Sabudana. Now this is cool enough. I'm going to mix. And for this, you need 1.5 cups of water to soak. With a spoon or with a fork, if you keep stirring like this, then it won't become into a cake and it will be in the form of grains. When it is ready, it will be like this, yummy to eat. For more recipes, like and subscribe SPL Food.